Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel How Logical. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to view matches on Bumble. Now let's begin. Do you know that I have already installed Bumble in my mobile device and logged into my account? In case you have not, do install it and log in right now. I'm gonna open up Bumble right now. And guys, here you go. This is Bumble. Now we simply want to look at our matches on Bumble. Right here on the bottom right corner, you will see something like chats. Simply click on this button right here. Something like this will pop up. It's gonna have all your conversations, and at the top you can see something like match queue. Those are your matches on Bumble. Well guys, that's it. That's how you view your matches on Bumble. It's as easy as that. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. The support fuels us. Thank you.